Hello, I'm Anna, and today I am your piano teacher, and I'm going to join you in learning Leonard Cohen's piece, Hallelujah. For this lesson, we'll work on the introduction. As you most likely noticed, the intro is played by your left hand. When you learn the piano, besides learning the notes, your fingering technique also plays a very important role as it really helps with memorization. So let's review the numbering for each finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you following along? Okay, let's keep going. Like we've already discussed, the left hand will do the work today. It starts with the chord we call C major. So, C, E, G, C. One more time. C, E, G, C. Pay really close attention now to the fingering. 5, 4, 2, 1. 5, 4, 2, 1. Next, we go down to the other C and play it with the third finger. Now then, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. C, E, G, C, C. And then we add the B and the A, respectively, with the fourth and fifth fingers. So now the entire measure, C, E, G, C, C, B, A. Okay, one more time. C, E, G, C, C, B, A. As you know, to play well, you have to count. Here, we have a 6-count bar, so we're going to count to 6. Now, try to play while counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. From here, we start the second bar, which is composed of the A minor chord. A, E, A, C, A, E, A, C. Once you've memorized these two chords, the C major, which we just did, and the A minor that came after, most of the left hand is mastered, since we will find these chords many times throughout the piece. To continue on, we're going to play the A minor chord forwards and backwards. A, E, A, C, A, E. So, A, E, A, 5, 2, 1. And at this point here, there's a part that's a little technical that seems difficult, but it's not as long as you really understand the fingerings. So, we play A, E, A, again, finishing the A with the first finger. Then, we're going to rotate by turning the wrist and passing over to play C like this. All right, one more time. A, E, A, C. Then, we repeat this part again, going backwards. C, A, E. And here we can see that the thumb moves under the second and then goes straight back. Now the whole thing. A, E, A, C, A, E. Let's play it again while counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we will play the first two measures one after the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third measure is identical to the first. C, E, G, C, C, B, A. And the fourth measure is identical to the second, except for one little difference. You'll see at the very end, there's a 3-beat hold on C. A, E, A, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are the last two measures with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All that's left to play is the 4 measures that we learned all together. We will play it the first time slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, go ahead and listen to the following. I hope you did a good job and that you're proud of yourself. See you soon, and in the meantime, don't forget your little piano.